Welcome to my search for freedom. Today we are going to take you to Shai Hills. We are on the way to the hills. As you can see on the right side, you can see the tip of some hills. We are driving toward the hills now. It's about 1 hour, 1 hour 15, depending of how you drive to go to Shai Hills from Accra. So this park is in the Greater Accra. It's a natural park where you can find also some wildlife. We have arrived at the park. When we enter the park, we could see also some wild animal. We arrived at the park when it was really hot already, past midday, if I'm not mistaken. So, as you can see, some antelopes. We have seen also some baboons on the way. There are also, according to some information, there are some different type of baboons in this park. So if you are visiting Ghana and then you want to visit Shai Hills Park, Natural Park, it's better to visit during the morning when the sun is not too bright, when it's not too hot, when the temperature is still cool, and also you can see more animals. Hi guys, right now we are at natural park, Shai Hill Reserve. We are here to explore. If it's possible, there are some baboons here. There are some antelopes. We are going to do some hiking, short hiking, and then after that we'll come back to the museum. And remember to subscribe, to like, to share, and to comment our videos. Thank you very much. See you soon. Also, I found that if you are visiting, the best time to visit Shai Hills, it's from October to May. So we had our guide with us. We had the chance to visit just a few sites, but mostly the program of the day was to climb the Shai Hills. As you can see, this is the first time I've seen this where people decided to go climbing a hill with high heels. Some of our visitors had flip-flops. They were not equipped for that, but they've done it. You know, when it was time to remove shoes, to remove flip-flops, to remove sandals, to remove high heels, everybody was ready because they say they cannot be coming here and not being able to climb the hills. And as you can see, we are taking some photos. There are some big walks there for people to take pictures. And our visitor enjoyed that. They took some pictures. They were laughing at each other for using flip-flops, for using high heels. Mais sandal ça pas bagay ça du tout, non? Sandal ça gen là. As you can see here, Gina is holding the rope. Then Yasmin tried second, and then after we have my godmother who did try as well to get there with her flip flop, with her sandal. Jimmy also did it. And then for me, I didn't use the rope at all because I used my bag as a support to hold me, the way that I did it. I bent myself a bit and then I tried to climb without having to use the rope. Martin did it without any problem also. She did use the rope. And then we had a good time. We took some pictures. It was very, very warm. On the hilltop, with those big rocks on top of the hill. So when we get there, we just continue to take pictures. The guide, we won't be able to show you, but the guide has us on top, and then we had to stay there for about maybe 20 minutes. He gave us the story because there were some autochthones who live in that area. He showed us some signs where people used to live because people used to live up there. You can see their artifacts. You can also see the sign, the fingerprint, I would say, there during their time living on top of this hill.
Oh, you videotaping? Hi, beautiful Ghana. Ghana is amazing, people.
Because of your slippers, like we'll be doing adventure. We'll be climbing using the ropes. From down.
You have ropes from down.
There's some ropes.
Yes,
but because of your slippers, you may
because of slippers, we cannot go down this path.
So we normally we come up this way, then we descend this way. But because of your slippers, that's why we are coming.
Yeah. So you have ropes all.
Go back this way.
You have ropes
but
all along.
If not because of the slippers, we come this way.
Okay.
But coming this way, you have ropes all along
Yeah,
the way.
yeah,
right?
yeah, exactly.
Yes. So the ropes over there. So now it's time for us to go down. We are going down the hill. And then going down is much more a bit easier because we already know what to expect. And then the guide also was a good support for us. He also helped us take some videos, some big photos. He also helped all of us to come down. Even if we knew what to expect, but we still, some of us find it too steep to be able to do it on our own. We had to hold to one another to be able to go down, and until we made it to the bottom of it. And this is the root of a baobab.
That's
a baobab.
A baobab is a tree of life, and it can live for more than 1,000 years.
So that one has been there for.
This is the one they used to do one of our local delicacy called TZ.
That's the one we drink at the.
The root of a baobab has been able to raise the rock from down. And gradually it keeps lifting it gradually. It's still going. That shows how strong
How old
a
is it?
baobab tree is. That's one. Baobab.
How old is the tree?
In fact, we don't have a documented date. Time has passed quickly because we went up there. It was warm. It was time now to take some photos as a souvenir of the place to remember that one day we came here at Shai Hills with high heels.
Really? We did it! We did it.
Remember to subscribe, to like, to share, and to comment. See you in the next video. Take care.